Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Plymouth Cuda with a 440 and a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. This one was in Limelight, which one of the high impact colors that Plymouth had back in 1970. Tell you what, it caught your eye about a mile away, as bright as it was. Definitely won't lose it in a parking lot, that's for sure. It had the automatic transmission, the bucket seats with a console, had the chrome exhaust tips, a vinyl top, a few other things that I probably missed. Like I said, it was definitely an attention grabber, that's for sure. If you wanted to get attention, this is definitely one of the colors to get. Speaking of the colors, did a little research on the internet. There's one website did a breakdown of the colors, and they're accounting for just about 90% of the cars that were made. And of all the Barracudas and Cudas, they're saying approximately 5% were Limelight, which would be about 2,547 vehicles. So if you had another 10% to that, less than 3,000 of them were this color. So it's pretty rare in with any engine combination on any of the cars that had the high impact color of Limelight. So it makes it a pretty rare bird. As far as the Barracuda goes, 1970, that was the first year for the new design for the Barracuda. And then the Cuda model was the high performance version. You get that with the 340, the 383, the 440, and then the Hemi, of course. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.